Yeah, hi Prasad. Good to meet up here. I just would like to get some insights about your experiences on the whole voice AI, bit what you're doing. Since the Excel, you've been into the whole education. How's been your uptake experience in the last couple of years when you started the whole voice AI as a technology? What do you think has changed in the last couple of years?
It's going to be a long journey ahead. Earlier, voice AI was not part of the any of the tools that was being offered. It was predominantly through a video which is already recorded or text which is already on the screen, whether it is on a big screen or on a handheld device. But now the child is able to interact. Earlier, the interaction used to be just through buttons and all of those. But now the child can actually have a true interaction, through some engaging activities. The child can also read, and the voice AI, which is already part of this tool set, is going to recognize what the child is reading and how well he or she is reading. So there is a lot more data points available for the tool and for the facilitators or the builders of those tools to see what is happening and appropriately kind of have the intervention and help those children to do well, at least in our case. So yes, in this use.
No, since given that I think it's especially in the education field and especially in children, and given that it's one of the great initiatives from XStep. What's your view of how XStep as a organization? I mean, no, I think, and what's the whole collaborating ecosystem in this Excel? If you have to just map it, who are all the stakeholders? What's been your
Okay, there are the XStep is involved in multiple initiatives, and this initiative is in the line of education. Where earlier we were involved in what is called as Diksha, which has gone on, and the nation has already implemented it in all the states. So we have moved on to different initiatives, and I have been part of Diksha initiative, and now with this initiative called AXL. This is also around education, and this is focusing on the early learners, specifically early learners, even though there are students even from higher grades who will benefit. So here we are catering to the students who are not having the skill set that is around foundational literacy and numeracy. Because just imagine a child who is in, say, grade 3 or 4, if he or she is not able to read in the language that they are studying in, whether it is in English or Kannada or Telugu or Tamil, and then also performing basic operations in maths, that is grade appropriate. If they are not doing that, if they are not having those skills, as they go on to the higher classes, they get left behind, because if they're not having grade appropriate skill in a lower grade, as they move on, things are going to be built on top of what they should know. So as they go into the higher grades, they're not able to kind of match up, and there is a high possibility of them getting dropped out, and that is not a good thing to happen. I mean, as a nation, we cannot afford that to happen. So this initiative kind of addresses such a challenge, and this is being done at scale across 3 states right now: Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Telangana, and it is getting rolled out even into other states in the coming year. So the whole idea is to address the skills around foundational literacy and numeracy, predominantly in the government schools to begin with. Eventually, there is a version which we are working on, which is going to be available for the community level. So there is going to be a community version of it, which organizations or individuals can take it forward. But this addresses
absolutely fantastic, and I think all the best for rest of the scale up for rest of the states. India requires these initiatives.
Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.